Welcome back, foodies! Today, we're diving into the world of gourmet delights with Pompeian extra virgin olive oil. In this video, we'll explore why Pompeian is a must-have in your kitchen in 2024. From its rich flavor to its health benefits, we'll uncover why it's a staple for chefs worldwide. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets behind Pompeian extra virgin olive oil. Let's get started. Number 5. Pompeian Gourmet Selection Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a true gem in the world of culinary delights. Crafted by the olive oil people with expertise dating back to 1906, this olive oil is a testament to quality and tradition. The fresh and fruity taste profile of Pompeian EVO adds depth to any dish, whether it's a light sauté or a hearty roast. Its first cold pressing ensures the preservation of flavors and nutrients, making it an excellent choice for health-conscious consumers. Certified by the North American Olive Oil Association for authenticity, you can trust that every drop of Pompeian EVO is pure and unadulterated. Plus, its commitment to quality extends to being naturally gluten-free, non-allergenic, kosher, and non-GMO project verified. With a generous 32 fluid ounces, Pompeian Gourmet Selection Extra Virgin Olive Oil offers great value for its superior quality. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, Pompeian EVO elevates your culinary creations to new heights. In conclusion, Pompeian Gourmet Selection EVO is more than just olive oil, it's a culinary essential that embodies the essence of Mediterranean flavor and tradition. Add a touch of Pompeian to your kitchen and experience the difference it makes in every dish. Number 4. Experience the Mediterranean essence in every dish with Pompeian USDA Organic Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Crafted by the olive oil people, this 68 fluid ounces bottle encapsulates the tradition of first cold pressing, ensuring the purest flavors from carefully nurtured olives. Indulge in its smooth, delicate taste, perfect for sautéing and stir-frying your favorite meals. Whether it's a hearty pasta or a fresh salad, Pompeian's extra virgin olive oil elevates every dish to a culinary masterpiece. With a legacy dating back to 1906, Pompeian remains committed to quality as certified by the North American Olive Oil Association. This olive oil is USDA certified organic, naturally gluten-free, non-allergenic, kosher, and non-GMO verified, ensuring that every drop is as wholesome as it is flavorful. As you savor the rich heritage and impeccable taste of Pompeian Organic Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil, you'll appreciate the dedication of generations of farmers who have carefully tended to each olive, bringing the essence of the Mediterranean to your table. Choose Pompeian for an authentic culinary experience that transcends ordinary meals. Number 3. Pompeian USDA Organic Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil in the convenient 16 fluid ounces bottle is a culinary treasure. Crafted by the olive oil people, this USDA certified organic gem embodies the essence of first cold pressing, ensuring that each drop is a testament to quality and tradition. Savor the smooth, delicate taste that Pompeian Organic Smooth EVO brings to your dishes. Whether you're sautéing vegetables or stir-frying your favorite proteins, this olive oil enhances flavors and elevates your culinary creations to new heights. Since 1906, Pompeian has been synonymous with excellence, with every bottle reflecting the dedication of generations of farmers. Certified for authenticity by the North American Olive Oil Association, you can trust that each bottle contains pure, unadulterated olive oil of the highest caliber. Pompeian Organic Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil is not just a kitchen staple, it's a symbol of commitment to quality and integrity. USDA certified organic, naturally gluten-free, non-allergenic, kosher, and non-GMO verified, it's the choice for discerning cooks who demand nothing but the best. Experience the difference Pompeian makes in your culinary adventures. Number 2. Experience the convenience and flavor of Pompeian USDA certified organic extra virgin olive oil non-stick cooking spray in a single 5 fluid ounces bottle. Crafted by the olive oil people, this spray contains no propellants or additives, ensuring that every spritz delivers the pure, full-bodied taste of first cold-pressed olive oil. Enjoy the robust flavor of Pompeian's Organic Robust EVO spray, perfect for salads, pasta dishes, and drizzling over your favorite recipes. With no propellants, you can trust that each spray is filled with the highest quality oil, helping you eat and live well without compromise. Certified for authenticity by the North American Olive Oil Association, Pompeian upholds its legacy of quality dating back to 1906. From the hands of dedicated farmers to your kitchen, Pompeian Organic Robust Extra Virgin Olive Oil is USDA certified organic, naturally gluten-free, non-allergenic, kosher, and non-GMO verified by the Non-GMO Project. Make every meal a masterpiece with Pompeian's commitment to quality and flavor. With Pompeian Organic Extra Virgin Olive Oil Nonstick Cooking Spray, cooking and drizzling become effortless, ensuring that your culinary creations shine with every bite. Number 1. Indulge in the culinary excellence of Pompeian Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil presented in a generous 68 fluid ounces bottle. Crafted with care by the olive oil people, this oil is derived from first cold-pressed olives, ensuring its purity and richness. Appreciate the smooth, delicate taste that Pompeian Smooth EVO brings to your dishes. Whether it's sautéing vegetables or stir-frying meats, this olive oil enhances the flavors of your creations, making every meal a gastronomic delight. With a legacy dating back to 1906, Pompeian maintains its commitment to quality. Certified for authenticity by the North American Olive Oil Association, you can trust the purity and integrity of every drop. Pompeian Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil is not just a cooking essential, it's a symbol of dedication to quality. Naturally gluten-free, non-allergenic, kosher, and non-GMO verified, it meets the highest standards of culinary excellence. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, Pompeian Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil elevates your dishes to new heights. Embrace the tradition, savor the flavor, and make Pompeian a staple in your kitchen for unparalleled culinary experiences.